Hello everyone and welcome back to a new series where we are going to build a full stack real-time chat application. It's going to be a very cool project because we'll be using the latest Expo router and its file-based routing. In the backend, we will use Node.js, Express and MongoDB. For the real-time communication, we will use sockets. So a while ago, I built a Firebase chat app and you guys asked to build a real-time chat app using sockets. So here it is. Now, whether you're a beginner trying to understand the full stack development or an experienced developer looking to build a production-ready chat app, then this is the project for you. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and without further wasting any more time, let me show you the features of this application. So this app is called Bubbly, and let me just log out to show you from the start. And this is the welcome page. And when user first opens the application, he will see this beautiful animation. Then he moves to the welcome page. Let's get started. There we can sign up and create an account. We already have an account, so let me just log in using my account. Okay, so now we're in the home screen and we see two tabs at the top, direct messages and the group messages. Then we see a plus icon at the bottom that will start a new conversation. So when we are in the group tab and if we click on this will ask to create a new group, choose a group name, members. But if we're in the direct messages and then we click on this, it will just ask to select the member that you want to chat with. So if I click on the member, it will open the chat history. Then on the top right, we have this setting icon where we can edit and update the user profile information like the name and the image. So let's go back and see the main features of this app, which is messaging. So if I open this conversation, we can see the chat history. So let me open the same conversation on Android. So here you can see the chat history between the two users. Now let me try to send a new message from this side and hit send. There we can see the message is sent and received on Android. Now this is also updating in the conversation list. So if I go back here and try to send a test message, you can see it's updated in the conversation list as well. So let's open the chat history and send some more messages. One thing that you will notice that it's very fast. As soon as I click on the send icon, it instantly appears on the second device because we're using socket.io. That's why it's very fast. So I'll show you how you can implement this. So the messaging is working. Now let me show you that we can upload the images as well. So if we pick an image, it will show at the bottom like this, and we can type a message and then hit send. There we can see the image is sent and received on the Android, and we are using Cloudinary to save the images so user can send the images as well. Now let me show you the groups feature. If we open any group, it will show all the message history from all the users. So only the invited members can send the messages in the group. So let me open the same group, movie night. And let's send a message from this side. Hit send. There we can see a message from me. Then we can send another message from Jon Snow. Okay, so there we can see user can converse in the groups as well. So if I wanted to send the message from another user, I will have to log out from my account and log in as Alexander. There we go. Now let's go to groups, movie night. We can see the recent messages that I sent from Jon Snow and my account. So let's send a new message from this one, and there we can see the message is received on the other device. So the group messages are working, and let me show you how we can chat with the new user. So if I click on this plus icon, we can see a list of the users, and if we click on any user, it will open the chat history or start a new conversation. And same with the groups, we can create a new group. So for that we will have to choose the group members. So let's select the group members, name this group as the test group, choose an avatar. Let's choose this one, and then hit create group. So the group is created and we are redirected into the conversation, and let's send a message. Okay, so the message is sent. Now I want to reply this from my account, so I'll have to log out from this account and then log back in using my account. Go to the groups, and there we can see the new group at the top, and let's just reply. Okay, so this is how the group messages is working and the direct messages are working. Now on the top we have this setting icon. So if we click on this, there we can see the profile information. We can update the name and the profile avatar. So let's change the image and the name to Nomi, and then update. There we can see the name is updated, and if we open the profile, the image is updated as well. So everything is working smoothly, not only on the iOS, but everything is working perfectly on Android as well. So this was just a brief demo of all the features of the application, and if you want to build this application, then just follow this tutorial with me and we will build it together. If you're new to the channel, then do subscribe the channel and like the video, maybe share it with your React Native friends. I don't know. Then you can find the source code link into the video description. You can also visit my website codewithnomi.com, and in the project section you will find this full stack chat application, and here you can get the source code for this app. You can also explore all the other professional apps on this page, and even subscribe to my newsletter if you want to get notified about these projects. So in the next part, we will start building this project.